Let's make a vodka cherry lemonade. First, grab your shaker, 2-ounce citrus vodka, or vodka of your choice, 1 ounce simple syrup, 1 ounce lime juice, 1 ounce cherry liqueur or fresh cherry juice. Then add 2 to 3 ounces of water-filled shaker with ice and shake for 4 to 8 seconds. Water-filled shaker with ice and shake for 4 to 8 seconds. Leave a like if you're liking this video. Grab a highball glass on, filled it with ice, then pour your concoction over ice. In the meantime, hit that subscribe button. Garnish with a cocktail cherry and lime wedge.